All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Jean-Marc Lulin. He is the CEO of Azimut Exploration. And Jean-Marc, it's great to see you. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you.
Good to have you along. Joining us from our OTC studios in New York City. Excited a little bit more about the company. Tell me a little bit about Azimut.
Azimut is a real exploration company. We are doing a very serious work at the scale of Quebec. We have the largest mineral exploration portfolio. We are focused on a few key commodities like gold, antimony, nickel, and copper, lithium as well. But we are concurrently advancing a number of very good projects, more likely more focused in the James Bay region.
Yeah, you recently raised a number of dollars to put into the treasury. Centerra Gold came on as a key one mentioned with that. Tell me a little bit about the people that are helping you out now as far as the financing is concerned.
Raising money has never been a concern for us because we are a technically driven company, and we are very proud to be able to attract serious long-term investors believing in the way we work. First, we had the Agnico Eagle as a strategic investor, and they are still on board. The same way we had been able to attract the confidence of Centerra Gold, which is also a technically driven company. It's a producing company, a mining company. The same way we are keeping our largest shareholders, which are the Quebec-based institutional funds. Anyway, for us, they represent most of the shareholders, and they believe in us. They believe in the way we work.
Yeah, you'll obviously be using quite a bit of those funds to advance projects. You mentioned the James Bay area, Wabamisk and Elmer, two projects that come to mind right off the bat. Tell me a little bit about some of the work that's there. I know you recently completed some drilling at Wabamisk.
Yes, uh, Wabamisk is an amazing project. We staked it many years ago, but it is now revealing its potential. We released today one outstanding drill intercept, an antimony gold intercept, 1.1% antimony over 51.5 meter, with some decent gold grades. Saying that, we are in the process of defining a true antimony gold zone, but deeper, this may evolve in a gold-rich zone. This would be the next potential step for this discovery. In fact, discovering an antimony gold zone may be the first step for a gold-rich zone deeper.
Yeah, you're planning some infilling in the summer and some expansion drilling to sort of truth that out a little bit. Is that right?
Yes. Now we just explored from surface down to 50 meters, but it's wide open at depths. And we go step by step. Of course, we try to mitigate the risk, but we strongly believe that we will. It's totally open at depths, totally open along strike, and this may reveal very, very nice surprises by having a better gold grades deeper, as it is the usual case for most of the antimony gold deposits in the world.
Yeah, and work being done on Elmer this year as well?
Yes, at Elmer we reach the resource stage, and now we are advancing a scoping study. This probably lead to additional drilling to expand the open pitable resource. The resource has been estimated at a gold price of $1,800 per ounce. Now, today we are not in the same world, and this is creating many opportunities to further expand the resource.
Yeah. I mentioned you're at the OTC studios in New York City. Is your listing there is AZMTF. Is that a market that's important for you to bring in new investors from the United States?
Yes, of course. This is providing us a better exposure to the US market. It's a way for us to attract new investors and to be recognized by, generally speaking, by the US market.
Absolutely. And lastly, it sounds like it's going to be a pretty exciting year for the company. There's lots of things ongoing right now.
Yes, it's one of the challenges we have. We are a successful explorer, and we try to manage the best way as possible concurrent discoveries. And some of them are advanced through partner-funded exploration programs, like Rio Tinto, KGHM, and SOQUEM. We have very good partners, and it's a way also to mitigate the exploration risk and to avoid recurrent financing. This is a way for us to secure and create value for the shareholders.
Jean-Marc, thank you so much. Good update. Good to see you as well. Continued success, and we look forward to following your story, okay?
Thank you very much, sir. Thank
All
you.
right, there's Jean-Marc Lulin. He is the CEO of Azimut Exploration.